Southern Railway's network covers the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry and a small portion of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The railway has shown an improvement in all its performance indices in the last 4 years. While the overall earnings of the railway increased by 20%, the number of passengers carried and freight carried increased by over 30%. The commitment of the railway towards improving the quality of service is mirrored in its achievement in the field of passenger amenities. The passenger reservation system has been expanded and there are 149 PRS terminals over the railway. In addition, the railway has 154 UTS terminals and 18 ATBMs to cater to unreserved tickets and is in the process of installing another 455 ATBMs in 191 stations. Southern Railway was one of the first to have at its stations the Poet Terminal and Touchscreen Terminal for dispensing travel information to the public. The stations themselves have seen a facelift in the railway's model and modern station programs. The modernization of waiting rooms, retiring rooms, deluxe pay and use toilets and concourse areas of all our major terminals have improved the facilities available to our customers. Under its ongoing campaign for improving the cleanliness at stations, the concept of mechanized cleaning both in stations and trains have gained significance. To improve on-board comfort, work is underway to provide cushioned seats and backrest in all general compartments. Each train also has one coach which has special facilities for physically challenged passengers. GPS-based electronic information display boards have been provided in the AC chair cars of 2 of our prestigious trains and trials are on for extending this facility on other trains also. On the freight front, Southern Railway has increased its output thanks to the innovative and aggressive marketing strategies introduced by the ministry. The railway has shown a 15.9% increase in originating coal traffic and a 3.5% increase in POL, which is a high-rated commodity. We have also captured new traffic such as soda ash, gypsum, limestone and salt. Our electric and diesel kilometerage, the wagon turnaround and the kilometers per wagon day has also improved in the last 4 years, contributing thereby to an improvement in the operating ratio from 120.79 to 105.62. The railway already provides connectivity to 4 major ports, namely Chennai, Kochi, Mangalore and Tuticorin, and efforts are on to improve the evacuation of ports through rail. In keeping with the policy of the ministry, gauge conversion of the Hassan-Mangalore line serving Mangalore port has been completed and work is in progress for providing connectivity between Vallarpadam and Edapalli. The railway has also been sanctioned new line between Attipattu and Puttur which will serve the newly formed Ennore port. A new railway division with Salem as its headquarters was inaugurated on November 1st, 2007. Given the high volumes of traffic, especially passenger traffic that is carried on the railway, efforts are continuing in capacity expansion works such as doubling and gauge conversion. Significant among the projects completed is the gauge conversion of the 114 km long Mana-Madurai Rameshwaram meter gauge section where the historic Paman Bridge is located. The railway has completed more than 600 kilometers of gauge conversion work, thereby getting rid of pockets of meter gauge that existed which affected access to several locations as well as resulted in underutilization of our assets. The extension of the Chennai MRTS from Thirumailai to Velachery has been completed and the railway now runs 124 services on this sector. There has been a significant increase in the quantum of passengers carried on this sector following the connectivity to Velachery. Our workshops that form the backbone of the network have recorded commendable achievements. The central workshop at Golden Rock, Tiruchirappalli has modified 10 YDM4 locos for export to Mozambique and 2 for export to Tanzania. The workshop also manufactured 225 BLC wagons for Concord, New Delhi. The loco workshop at Perambur has converted the cabins of 2 locos into crew-friendly cabs. The Fairy Queen, the oldest serving steam locomotive, has been successfully overhauled for the 5th time at the Loco Works. It has also successfully carried out the pilot project for the production of biodiesel, which has been used on diesel locomotives and road vehicles. Safety continues to be our prime importance. By closely monitoring the health of its assets and by rigorously inculcating safety consciousness and correct practices, the railway has been able to reduce the number of accidents. Southern Railway were the first to introduce the train protection and warning system on the Chennai Central Gummidipundi sector. In the field of information technology and its applications, Southern Railway was the first to complete networking of its terminals through Freight Operations Information System. We are also the first railway to implement control charting on all our divisions and are working on the total implementation of the Coaching Management Module, that is COIS. Fine-tuning its strategies to achieve maximum customer satisfaction through reliable and quality service, Southern Railway will usher in a new era of growth and connectivity in the days to come.